This is Glen Hayward, the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. And today I want to talk about the importance of changing your oil and maintaining your vehicle, whether it's the brake fluid, whether it's the oil, it's the transmission fluid. Those fluids are essential for the correct operation of your vehicle. So today we'll talk about, this is a Dodge truck, a 2016 as I recall. This is a two-stage oil pump. So this is the oil pump. This is inside the oil pan, and this controls how much pressure that the engine is getting for oil. And so this is called a two-stager. So once it gets up to a certain speed in RPM, this has a second speed that kicks in, and then it allows the oil pressure to be sufficient for running at higher speeds. So here's the deal. This gentleman apparently didn't change his oil very often. I'm going to pull out some of this crud here so you can see this is oil buildup. This isn't something that we can make up. You see it flaking off of here. And, you know, this guy sooner or later would have done severe damage to his motor. He probably already did some, but the thing wouldn't go over 60 miles an hour. And so when we figured out that it was an oil pressure issue due to some codes that were thrown, after the diagnostic, we replaced this oil pump and the thing ran absolutely like a new vehicle. But this kind of neglect can cost you literally, I mean, it cost this guy about $1,500 to take this thing apart and pay for the pump and its installation and everything and the diagnostic fee. So you can avoid all of that expense by changing your oil when you're supposed to, every 5,000 miles, and use the correct oil. Now this guy probably went maybe 10 or 15,000 miles. There's some marketing companies out there that are marketing their oils are good for 10 or 15,000 miles. I don't believe that for a second, but you know, I'm not here to make that discussion or argument today, but I'm telling you that not changing your oil can do severe damage to your motor and cost you, you know, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 to repair all the damage, or sometimes even a complete motor. So please take my advice and take care of your car. Change your fluids on the recommended intervals, and you'll be a happy camper. Thank you.